I don't think we got great light, but YouTubers were making burgers. There's 2 pounds of hamburger in there. This is McCormick's hamburger seasoning. I like it, so I'm putting it in there. Also from McCormick, garlic powder. Also from McCormick, chipotle. Not from McCormick, the Rooster sriracha sauce. Alright, zip it closed. Mix it up. I kind of got off using the bags for a little bit, but man, it's just so easy.
I still had these. I didn't go out and buy new ones, so I figure I use them.
Alright, second round of McCormick's hamburger. We killed that. Garlic powder. And I don't want to, but I'm going to grill this because it is cold outside. Dropped like 30 degrees in 2 days. Sriracha. Sriracha. And I'll mix it up in a bag for a little bit. I try not to over mix it because you don't want to break the fat down too much, but you got to mix them in. I'm not a messy burger fan, so I like stuff in the hamburger before I cook it. Well, we'll get this going. All right, taters, time lapse. Alright, we're going to make foil pack. I do pretty much the same doctrine every time on my potatoes. So that's what I'm going to do. Zatarans. Olive oil. Cutting board. Onion. Alright. What we're going to do here is I'm going to end up grilling that onion. Alright, so those onions will get grilled and they will go on the burger. Alright, that's foil pack. Alright, this 2 pounds of hamburger, I try to flatten it out a little bit. And I'm going to make 6 burgers out of it. And what I try to do is I suck at getting them even. So that's close-ish. Burger press. Start off making meatballs with them. That way I can see how close I got. I can already see that that one's small. I'll never make them perfect, but we can try to get them close. Alright, now we eyeball. Obviously that needs more. Still more. It's got to be a better way, right? We're going to call that close enough. Now the burger press. There we go. Put it in there, kind of mush it around. These are going to go back in the Ziploc, get cooked at a later time. There we go. 3 burgers for today. And now, clean my hands. All right, so I put the onions on the grill with it. I'm gonna try to grill those up a little bit. Woohoo! There we go, YouTubers. Potatoes. Put a little sriracha on the potatoes. Smiley face, because that's what I do. With the grilled onion. There we go. And put the top on it. And there's more. There's broccoli. Gonna put lime on it. Broccoli. Broccoli. Pampered Chef from the thrift store. Burger time. That is a good burger. Potatoes. That's good eating, YouTubers. Have a great and wonderful day. Yay! That is sleet. It's wonderful out. It's just glorious. If you're gonna go RVing, you just gotta realize this stuff's gonna happen. You know? It's 39, so it's not cold. Alright, I'm making the best of it. I got the heated mattress pan on and it's warm in here and life is fine. But it would be real nice if it was 60 and sunny, and that'd be more fun. Oh, because you also deserve to see what it looks out the front window. The windshield. I need to go outside there and pull my wipers up before they freeze. Yay! So here's a video cooking up those other burgers that I had pre-made. Used Famous Dave's pickle chips. They're friggin' awesome. Didn't have to do a lot of detail showing you how I cook burgers. Pretty much same way as I cooked them last time. Hope you enjoy. Flyover burgers with Famous Dave pickles and potatoes from the foil pack. It's a quick meal, but we're not done. Still gotta have a smiley face. Alright? Smiley faces. Let's taste this sucker. Alright, let's see how this does. I make a good burger, and Famous Dave pickles are really, really good. Nice and spicy. Sorry we're talking my mouth full, but have a great and wonderful day.